to my channel. In this video we're going to create a motor. So let's start creating. What we are waiting for? So first we need to create motor by parts. So let's start creating. Like this. Here, over here. Yeah, now let's start creating. First we need to add a cylinder. Here it is. Let's bring it over here. First, let's rotate it. It should be like this. We also can scale it like this, like this. Yeah, it's normal. Now let's change its color. For example, smoky gray. Then we need to add again a cylinder. We again need to rotate it. We need to put here on the part. Yeah. Now we just need to scale it. Let's do it like this. No, it's so long. For example, like this, it's good. We again need to change its color to smoky gray. Now we again need to add a cylinder. We again need to rotate it, but this time like this. We need to move it to the needed place. For example, let's go here, over here, over here, over here. Now let's rotate. Yeah, normal. Now like this. This part. Position. Let's change its position. Let's change its Y, Z, for example, 13. Yeah. Let's put, for example, 16. Let's look how does it look. No. Like this, let's put then minus 26. We need to change it to minus 28. No, it's much. For example, minus 26. No, minus 26 is much. Minus 27 is good. Yeah, it is the one that we needed. Now we again need to change its color. Let's look. Is it the way we wanted it to be? No. Nope. It needs to be like. Now we need to change its Z, for example, 9. 9, not 98. Not 9. For example, 16. Not 16. For example, 14. Normal, 14.9. Let's look. I think it is the one that we were looking for. No, we need 50. Yes, it is the one that we're looking. Now let's change its color. Color, smoky gray. Now let's start creating our main part of the motor. Let's start creating its blades. So now we need to add a part, but we are going to add a block. Here, over here, we need to again rotate it. Like this, yes, it's normal. It's looking good. Not like this. Yeah, like this. scale it a little bit. Good. Then duplicate it. Duplicate. Rotate it. Now let's rotate it again. This like this. So it's not going to take much time. Not like this. Let's move it over here. Now rotate it again. Yeah, I think this one is good. Let's again rotate because it does not look so good. Yeah, this one is normal. Now we need to do like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Yeah, like this. Now the easiest part of this video, we are going to make it apart. And we are going to create a hinge. Create a hinge. Create from here till here. We created our first hinge. Now let's create our second hinge. No, not like this. Like this, and into the middle. Yeah, we created our second hinge. Now let's change its properties. So first thing that we're going to change is actuator type. Actuator type, here it is. We are going to put matter, not none. The next thing that we are going to change is angular velocity. Angular velocity. We are going to put like this, not to 0.6. It's going to change its speed. And the last thing we are going to change is motor max. Motor max torque is going to be 100,000. First 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. Now we need to do the same thing, but for this hinge. This hinge. And this hinge. So first thing again that we're going to change is going to be actuator type. Actuator type. Actuator type. It's going to be motor. Now we are going to change angular velocity. Velocity is going to be 0.6. Then motor max torque. It's going to be 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's run the code. Not run, let's play the code. Yes. Let's wait until it's opening. Here it is. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. We have a bug. First thing that we need to do is to put it back. Not like this. Yeah. Second thing, we need to make it anchor. This one also anchor. This one also anchor. This one we don't need to do anchor. This one also we don't need to do. Now let's click the play button. Now let's look. You see that our motor is working very well. Now let's change its speed. So first, hinge construct here angular velocity, for example 100, and here also 100. Let's play the game. Now let's watch. Where is it? Whoa, it's so fast. Ooh! You saw what just happened? I was just shocked. Did you see? Let's do it again. Whoa. It's so dangerous for the... Whoa. First time when I came, it just kicked me out. Now it's not... Oh, yeah. Whoa. Woo! It was amazing shot. He's like a footballer. Let's for example jump from here. What's going to happen? No, nothing. Whoa. Wow. I'm on it. So this was all for now, my friends. So see you in the next lecture. You saw how we jumped. Bye bye.